You have to talk to the doggy, Jeremy. Come on. Come on.
Shh. Say, come, dog.
Oh my God. You killed the Joey. Joey's dead. Oh yeah. Say, come on, doggy. Did you crack open the banana? You gonna eat the banana?
Yeah, I'm filming. He wrapped the leash around her butt.
Ew.
Ew.
Ew. You can help me make sandwiches.
This is too cute. Hi, boy.
Hey?
You're my best friend. Don't touch my camera. I know friends should share, but you have a tendency to break things. And you have little greasy fingers that you stick in your mouth and other orifices that I don't want.